friends! It's me, Thomas! Today, we're heading to the wild and wonderful state of Alaska, where we'll discover some amazing trees that thrive in its cold, rugged landscapes. Alaska is known for its towering mountains, vast forests, and incredible wildlife, and the trees here are just as impressive. We're going to meet 10 incredible trees today, each with its own special story. Let's go! Our first stop is the Sitka Spruce, which is the state tree of Alaska. Sitka spruces are known for their tall, straight trunks and sharp, stiff needles. These trees grow along the cool, misty coasts of Alaska, where they can reach heights of over 300 feet. The wood of the Sitka spruce is highly valued for building ships, airplanes, and musical instruments like guitars and pianos. Sitka spruces are important to Alaska's coastal ecosystems, providing homes for many animals, including birds, squirrels, and insects. Next, we're meeting the western hemlock, a tree that's easy to recognize because of its drooping, feathery branches. Western hemlocks grow in the moist, temperate rainforests of southeast Alaska, where they can reach heights of over 200 feet. These trees have soft, flat needles that are dark green on top and lighter underneath. Western hemlocks are an important part of the forest, providing habitat for many animals, including bears, deer, and birds. The wood of the western hemlock is used for making paper and building materials. Now, let's check out the Alaska yellow cedar, a tree known for its fragrant, durable wood. Alaska yellow cedars grow in the coastal rainforests of southeast Alaska, where they thrive in the cool, wet climate. These trees have soft, scale-like leaves and produce small, round cones. The wood of the Alaska yellow cedar is prized for its resistance to decay, making it perfect for building boats, totem poles, and outdoor furniture. Alaska Native peoples have long used this tree for carving and building, and its importance continues today. Next up is the Black Spruce, a tree that's a true survivor in Alaska's coldest regions. Black spruces are found in the boreal forests of Alaska, where they grow in the cold, swampy soils of the tundra. These trees have short, stiff needles and dark, scaly bark. Black spruces are slow-growing and often appear stunted because of the harsh conditions they face. Despite this, they play a crucial role in the ecosystem, providing habitat for animals like moose and lynx. The wood of the black spruce is used for making paper and lumber. Here's a tree that's easy to spot: the paper birch. Paper birch trees are known for their bright white bark that peels away in thin layers, almost like paper. These trees are found throughout Alaska, often growing in mixed forests with spruce and aspen. Paper birches have small, oval leaves that turn a bright yellow in the fall. The bark of the paper birch has been used by native Alaskans for making canoes, baskets, and shelters. These trees provide food and shelter for many animals, including birds and beavers. Now, let's meet the quaking aspen, a tree that gets its name from the way its leaves tremble or quake in the wind. Quaking aspens are found in the forests and along the riverbanks of Alaska, where their white bark and fluttering leaves stand out. These trees grow in large groves, with many trees connected by a single root system, making them one of the largest living organisms on Earth. In the fall, their leaves turn a brilliant yellow, lighting up the landscape. Quaking aspens are important for stabilizing soil and providing habitat for wildlife. Let's visit the tamarack, also known as the eastern larch, a tree that's unique because it's a deciduous conifer. This means that unlike most conifers, which keep their needles year-round, the tamarack loses its needles in the fall. Tamaracks are found in the colder, swampy areas of Alaska, where they grow tall and straight. In the fall, their needles turn a golden yellow before they drop, leaving the trees bare for the winter. The wood of the tamarack is strong and rot-resistant, making it valuable for building and crafting. Next is the mountain hemlock, a tree that thrives in the high elevations of Alaska's mountains. Mountain hemlocks have thick, dark green needles that grow in clusters, and their branches often droop under the weight of snow. These trees are slow-growing and and can live for hundreds of years, enduring the harsh conditions of the alpine environment. Mountain hemlocks play a vital role in stabilizing slopes and providing shelter for animals like mountain goats and ptarmigans. Now, let's talk about the red alder, a tree that's known for its ability to improve the soil. Red alders grow in the temperate rainforests of southeast Alaska, where they often appear first after a disturbance like a landslide or fire. These trees have smooth, gray bark and leaves that are oval-shaped with serrated edges. Red alders are unique because they can fix nitrogen from the air into the soil, enriching it and helping other plants grow. The wood of the red alder is used for making furniture and cabinets, and the tree provides habitat for many animals. Finally, we're visiting the Engelmann spruce, a tree that's tough enough to survive in Alaska's high mountains and cold valleys. Engelmann spruces have sharp, pointed needles and rough, scaly bark. These trees grow slowly but steadily, often living for hundreds of years. Engelmann spruces are important for stabilizing slopes and providing habitat for animals like grouse and hares. The wood of the Engelmann spruce is used for construction and making musical instruments thanks to its strength and resonance. We've met some incredible trees in Alaska today. Each one is unique and has found a way to thrive in the cold, rugged environments of this beautiful state. From the towering Sitka spruce to the resilient Black Spruce, these trees show us the power and beauty of nature. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. See you next time for more exciting explorations. Bye-bye, tree buddies.